Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make icons bigger on Samsung Galaxy tablet. The first thing you need to do is go into settings. Once in settings, you are going to scroll down and select accessibility. So you want to select accessibility. After you're in accessibility, you are going to tap on visual enhancement. So that's the fourth option from the top. Then from here, you are going to simply scroll down until you see the option Screen Zoom. You are going to tap on that. After selecting that, you want to pull the slider to the right. And once you have done that, you will realize, as you can see right here, this is how your screen will look now. So if I were to go back, you can see, let me go in, you can see that everything is bigger now. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.